average value or mean value of alternating EMF। पहले EMF का निकालेंगे, उसके बाद करंट। एवरेज वैल्यू और मीन वैल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग EMF। The average value or mean value of alternating EMF over half cycle, एवरेज वैल्यू हमेशा हाफ साइकिल में निकालते हैं, is defined as that steady value of EMF which flow the amount of charge in a given circuit in given time as you done by alternating EMF in the same circuit in the same time. The average value or mean value of alternating EMF. The average value or mean value of alternating EMF over half cycle is defined as that steady value of EMF which flow the amount of charge in given circuit in certain time as would done by alternating EMF in the same circuit in the same time. We know that the alternating EMF E equal to E naught sin omega t. We know that alternating EMF E equal to E naught sin omega t. Let this EMF flowing through the circuit. Let this EMF flowing through the circuit for small time dt. Then the amount of charge going through the circuit for going through the circuit in a small time dt. I equal to q by t, q equal to it, I को लिख सकते हैं e by r t, q equal to et by that is small amount of charge dq equal to I dq equal to e by r into small time dt. For small time dt, small charge dq flowing through the circuit. Putting value of e from equation 1, e naught sin omega t by r. Total amount of charge, total amount of charge flowing through the circuit in half cycle. Integrating above equation 2, we get e naught by r sin omega t dt 0 to t by 2, 0 to t by 2. Then we get integration dq, q equal to 0 to t by 2 e naught by r e naught by r sin omega t dt. Lower limit 0, upper limit t by 2. Solving this relation, we get e naught by r sin omega t dt integration minus cos sin का integration minus cos omega t by omega 0 to t by 2 minus e naught by r minus e naught by omega r cos omega t 0 to t by 2 minus e naught omega r, putting value upper limit at t cos omega t by 2 minus cos 0. Since omega equal to 2 pi by t, therefore omega t equal to 2 pi. Then we get minus e naught by omega r cos 2 pi by 2 minus cos 0 minus e naught by omega r cos pi minus cos 0 minus e naught by omega r cos pi minus 1 minus and minus e naught by omega r and minus that is equal to 2 e naught by omega r. Q equal to, this is the value of Q in half cycle. This is the value of Q in half cycle equal to 2 e naught by omega r. if E mean equal to, if E mean if E mean equal to mean value of alternating EMF, mean value of alternating EMF value always taken in half cycle, time in second, E in volt, half cycle. This is the positive half cycle. Then the amount of charge, flowing through the circuit, over half cycle, Q equal to E mean by R into T by from equation 4. E mean by R into T by 2 equal to 2 E naught by omega R. Since omega equal to 2 pi t, 2 E naught 2 pi by t, or E mean by R T by 2 R cancel, or E mean equal to 2 E naught by pi. This is the value of average value or mean value of alternating EMF over positive half cycle, 2 E naught by pi. And the remaining half cycle or negative half cycle, this value is minus 2 E naught by pi. For other half cycle, that is negative half cycle, the mean value of alternating EMF for other half cycle, the mean value of alternating EMF equal to minus 2 E naught by pi. Therefore, average value, therefore average value or the value of alternating EMF over one complete cycle, equal to 2 E naught by pi minus 2 E naught, it is equal to 0. That is average value or mean value alternating of alternating EMF over one complete cycle is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Hence it is always taken in half cycle. That is half cycle mean value of alternating current E mean equal to 2 E naught by pi. It is similar relation obtained by using alternating mean value or alternating value of mean value or average value of alternating current. Mean value or average value of alternating current. The average value or next the average value or mean value of alternating current. The value the average value or mean value of alternating current. The average value or mean value of alternating current over half cycle is defined as that steady value of current which flowing through the circuit or the average value or mean value of alternating current. The average value or mean value of alternating current over half cycle. Half cycle is defined as that steady value of that steady value of current which flows through the which flows through the which flows the amount of which flows certain amount of charge in a given circuit in given time as would done by alternating current in the same circuit in time in the same circuit as would done by alternating current in the same time. We know that alternating current we know that alternating current I equal to I naught sin omega t. Let this amount of current flowing through the circuit for a small time dt. Then in a small time dt, the amount of charge flowing through the circuit. Let this current flowing through the circuit for a small time dt. Then the amount of charge flowing through the circuit for small time dt. For small time dt. dq equal to I dt. Putting value of I naught omega t dq equal to. Let this the total amount of charge flowing through the circuit in half cycle, that is t by 2, t in second, I in ampere. This is the positive half cycle, the value of EMF I naught. Integrating this we get the total amount of charge flowing through the circuit in half cycle. Integrating the above term, dq equal to I naught sin omega t dt, 0 to t by 2. Integration of dq is q I naught इंटीग्रेट बाहर कर दिए इंटीग्रेशन से sin ओमेगा t dt. This value of this integral is minus cos omega t by omega, 0 to t by 2, minus I naught by omega cos omega t, 0 to t by 2, minus I naught by omega cos omega t by 2 minus cos 0. We have omega equal to 2 pi by t or omega t equal to 2 pi minus I naught by omega cos 2 pi by 2 minus cos 0. 2 cancel, minus I naught by omega cos pi minus cos 0. We get the next step cos pi, value of cos pi minus 1 minus cos 0 1 minus I naught by omega into 2 equal to minus 2 minus minus plus 2 I naught by omega. This is the value of amount of charge in half cycle. If I mean is the mean value of current then if I mean equal to mean value of then mean value of alternating current, then amount of charge flowing through the circuit in half cycle, Q equal to I mean into T by Q, from equation third and fourth. I mean T by 2 equal to 2 I naught by omega, 2 I naught omega, putting value of omega 2 pi by t I mean t by 2 message, or I mean equal to 2 I naught by pi. This is the value of mean value or average value over half cycle. Over half cycle 2 I by pi for negative half cycle, and for negative half cycle minus 2 I naught by pi. For other half cycle, that is for negative half cycle, the mean value of for negative half cycle or negative half cycle, the average value or mean value of alternating current is equal to minus 2 I naught by pi. Therefore, in one complete cycle, the average value or mean value of alternating current equal to plus 2 I naught by pi minus 2 I naught by pi. Now this is cancelled. The average value in one complete cycle is 0. That is average value or mean value of alternating current over one complete cycle. Is equal to 0. As average value or mean value always taken in half cycle.